Welcome to Liandong Rueixin Technology Company Limited. Established in 2017, we are an innovative high-tech enterprise specializing in the R&D manufacturing and sales of linear motion systems and automation equipment. Driven by integrity, innovation, and a customer-first philosophy, we serve a wide range of industries, including semiconductors, automotive manufacturing, electronics, intelligent logistics, and smart furniture. Over the years, we have built long-term partnerships with leading companies such as Kasich China Railway Construction, Foxconn, and Mitsubishi Group, delivering reliable and cost-effective automation solutions. To date, we have independently developed nearly 30 types of linear modules, along with proprietary motion controllers and PLC programs. Backed by patented technologies and supporting RS-232 and RS-485 communication protocols, we provide customized solutions, personalized technical consultation, and comprehensive after-sales service. Equipped with advanced manufacturing facilities and a professional engineering team, we maintain strict quality control throughout every stage of production. We also offer flexible customization services and rapid response support to meet the diverse requirements of customers worldwide. Our products are widely applied in automated production lines, coating equipment, gantry robots, printing machinery, and various industrial automation systems, helping customers achieve higher productivity, greater precision, and extended equipment lifespan. At Liandong Rueixin Technology, we are relentless in our pursuit of innovation and excellence in quality. We are committed to continuously upgrading our products and delivering reliable linear motion solutions and professional technical support to customers worldwide. Liandong Rueixin Technology, driving precision motion, empowering smart manufacturing worldwide.